Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TM Hair Products video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I stretched my daughter's 4C hair. If you have not done so, hit the notification bell, thumbs up this video, get ready for my back to school giveaway. I am very excited about this giveaway. It's something that I've never done before in a way that I'm going to do this giveaway. So make sure you're notified, hit your notification bell, make sure you subscribe because you cannot win the giveaway if you're not subscribed to my channel. But I'll do another video about that in more detail. But what I'm doing here is I am stretching her hair. I am parting off sections of her hair. You notice I'm parting and flat braiding. A lot of stretching videos I see, people are just doing large jumbo plaits. My focus is to stretch her root. It's not so much her ends. I know her hair needs to trim, but my focus is to stretch the root of her hair for the style I'm going to show you guys on tomorrow. So I'm applying a little bit of the styling aid just so her hair isn't dry, and I'm flat braiding her hair down. So my focus is I want to stretch the root of her hair. And I'm going to do the other side off camera. Now her hair is all finished. So I'm going to do this in the heatless method, and I don't know if I said that earlier in the beginning because I know a lot of you guys don't have hooded dryers. So I prefer the hooded dryer method. I'm going to tell you that off the top, but I wanted to see the results she got without the dryer. So all I'm doing is removing her braids. Again, my focus is on the roots. I need the ends to have a little more fluff to them, but I want the roots to be straighter, to be more tameable, not hard to part through. So I need the root stretch. That's what my focus is. So if you're removing her braids, if you run into a knot or something, just use the comb and then go back to using your hand. If at all possible, use your hand as much as possible. So I'm combing through the ends of her hair because I know her ends need a trim. But so far I'm liking the stretch. I'm liking the stretch of her hair. So I'm going to show you in tomorrow's video how I styled her hair. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, thumbs up this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.